Hi people, it's Obin again from Lagos, Nigeria. I'm so glad to be on show 50 of our 100 Mondays show. Um, is a big privilege for me to be on this platform since last year, and we are still. It's a good thing we are keeping it real since then. So I'm glad to be on this show. And thanks again for following our programs. Um, will I say from the first edition of it. So I'm grateful for everything. So today I'm going to touch on a few things. Okay, so I'll have to start with the art scene in Lagos, Nigeria. Um, I'll say it's booming. It's booming with the presence of Nike Art Gallery here in Nigeria, as in even aside Nike Art Gallery, there are big galleries all over Lagos, and um, it really attracts a lot of will I say tourists to to those galleries, and I think the Lekki art market as well. So um, the art market, I would just say generally is booming, but it's always a struggle for people like myself who are just starting off. So but we're still in Lagos, so we're hoping to make it big someday. So I'll go over to the next, which is okay, the people who influence my style of art. Okay, I'll say my style of art. I Okay, before I did the first one, I have this friend Abinoro Collins Aborode, who um, he's a very close friend, and he's very good with his sketches, and I'm not as good as he is. So um, I learned a lot from him. Actually, he was the one who taught me how to word and how to make so many of the things I do these days. So um, okay, while I was studying his drawings, I was able to um, I was able to okay, instead of doing the drawings in particular, instead of sticking to learning how to do the lines, I ended up getting this concept of doing instead of doing the drawings, I decided to transfer it to my sculptures. So instead of doing the drawings, I'm having wires inform wires, as in I'll make sculptures out of wires. So um, it, let's say for the concept itself, for the style itself, I think I have to give him credit for that, because the drawings were so nice and perfect that I really wanted to draw that way, but I ended up sculpting to the resemblance of his drawings. And okay, that's Collins Abinoro. So the next person on my list would be Steve Ekpenisi. He's one of the biggest sculptors here in Nigeria. So maybe you guys can just go and check out his works. The guy is very good. So I have Collins, I have Stephen Ekpenisi, and the third I would say Darius Hulier. Darius Hulier is also a wire sculptor. So I think um that should be my will I say I look up to him. So uh, for people who influence my art, I have Collins Abinoro, Steve Ebenisi, and Darius Fulio. So let me move over to the next, which has to do with my choice of subjects, which relates to women. So I I grew up in a family of four. Um, that's three ladies and myself, and I've always been with women all my life. And even in the area I stay in a low cost area. Uh, you're never short of um, women, both the ones making it and the ones struggling to make it. So all kinds of women with all sorts of problems and all sorts of achievements, all levels of achievements. So I have all these people around. So I think I always there's always something to talk about women. So I I easily get ideas of what to work on when I have these people around. So that's it. Thanks for thanks for your time. I'm so grateful to be on this show again. And once again, I want to thank Crystal Jordan and the Atma Moves team for everything. Good night.